W751-08.
CSX, BC Dispatch, Baltimore, answering over.
BC, D765-08, you copy, over?
765, loud and clear, go ahead, over.
Yeah, I'd like to see what our chances are opening up here at Sears siding and coming out and occupying number 2 track, over.
Alrighty, D765-08, alright to open up Sears siding or number 2 track, maybe it's twice as needed, using the restoring switches when completed. Permission by the door, verifying everything's fine for your route. If necessary, give me a shout when you're all lined and locked, ready to move, and I'll light you up accordingly, over.
Okay, I understand. Okay to open up here at Sears siding, move east and west as needed. Permission by the stop signal if needed to get up and shove out and up number 2 track, and once we get everything here at 2 track, we'll give you a call back.
Alrighty, and 211's still down there working, so if they're there, I guess whenever you get close, we'll give them a shout and see if you can get down there with them, over.
Alright, I understand 211's still up in there, Pepco working. We get close, we'll try to give them a shout, see if we can both get up in there.
Alright, man, that'll work. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, BC Dispatch.